Very good, my YouTube people. Today I am going to teach you how to draw Patricio Star of the cartoon series SpongeBob SquarePants. So I take a pencil, a notebook, an eraser, and let's draw. But before all this, don't forget that God bless you today, tomorrow, and always. If you want to send me those drawings, you can do so to my Facebook page, which will be appearing up here. With all this said, let's go with this. The first thing we're going to do is draw this kind of mountain, and this cross will help us place the elements of the face. The rest is intuitive shape using figures. To draw and facilitate the elements of Patricio Estrella. If you have any questions, leave them below in the box and comment. If you want to chat with me, you can do so on my Facebook page, and if you want me to be drawing something you want, comment below. By the way, 2 SpongeBob objects will be hidden in this video, so you know.